So children, have you seen the product? This is the product that you are using, and the name of the this product, you have to write the name of the brand, whether it is Colgate or Close Up or Lux or Pears or whatever soap you are, Dove, many types you are using. Name you have to enter over here in this blank. See, these are the different types of things which we use to keep ourselves clean. Shampoo, toothbrush, toothpaste on it, soap, hair oil and toothpaste. Again, there is an exercise over here for you. Find out different objects in the box given below and write their names against the correct statement. I will show you one box just now. You have to take out from that what thing it is, and you have to write in this blank over here. I make your teeth shining bright. Which thing makes your teeth clean and shining? You have to write the name of that thing from this box. You use me while taking bath. What is the thing that you use to take a bath? I trim your nails. You make your nails short with it. What is that thing which you use? I make your hair healthy and not let them be rough. If you use that, then your hair will be healthy and not tossed up and rough, and it will be nice and silky if you use that. So what is that thing you have to take out from this box? I help when you cough or sneeze. What is that thing when you are coughing or sneezing helps you? This is the box. Look at it carefully. What all things are kept in it? You have to write the things over there on that blank what I have shown you. This is the homework for you. Not necessary that in one day only you complete your homework. Whenever I am explaining a lesson and give you homework and listening to the videos, you should listen to the videos slowly, little. And one day you listen to one video, another day another video, another day another, and then one day one homework, another day another homework. So 1 week you should be engaged with one lesson only, not doing everything same day. This will keep you engaged, and other subjects also you might be getting. So that's why don't focus only on one subject, do other subjects also. That's why little homework you must do. So write good or bad against the following statements. Statements are given over here in these sentences, and you have to write whether it is a good habit or bad habit. Followed? I brush my teeth twice daily. If you are doing it, then write it. You will write good over here. If you are not, then write it is a bad habit. So if we are doing such things, we have to write good. I clean my nose with my sleeves. Your dress sleeves. You are cleaning your nose with it. So it is a good or bad habit? You must write that in that blank. I wash my hands before and after a meal. Before eating your food and after eating your food, you are washing your hands. If you are washing or not washing, that's your look out. If you are washing, it is good habit. If you are not washing, it is bad habit. I spit on the floor. Spitting. Many children don't think, or many grown-ups also, where they are spitting. They don't understand. On the road, anywhere they start spitting. So that's a very bad habit. So if you are spitting here and there on the floor, whether it is good or bad, you have to write down that. I do not share my towel or hanky. You don't give your towel or hanky to others. Then whether it is good or bad, you think over it. I bite my nails. You are biting your nails, it is good or bad. So everything what you have seen over here, again I take you up, and then you write good or bad against every statement. So children, I hope you all have got enough homework now. This homework will keep you busy and you won't get bored. You won't feel bored. All the time playing is also not good. Be clean, be safe, stay in the house, and don't worry your parents, don't trouble them. Eat whatever they are giving. We have got very limited things nowadays. So then also parents, I've seen in many places and in the Facebook or in WhatsApp status that what all nice tasty delicious things your mummies are cooking and you are getting everything. So there you think about those people. There are many poor people in this country who are not getting proper food to eat. So think about them, and you also try to use limited things only and don't make fuss for little things. So bye for now, enjoy your lesson and have a good time.